5:30, the car missing. No text backs or call misses. I feel like we all victims. Docs is getting long. Drunk testing, I should not do Patron. I hop on the phone, turn the music up, got in my zone. Drunk texting, I should probably Supertron. Had to do wrong, order to do you right. You gotta go through it, order to give advice. It's the price of the litty nights. I know the liquor hitting. Why when somebody break your heart, it help fix your vision. If you fall in love with a demon or a diva, pray your soulmate got a soul when you meet her. The crystal ball couldn't tell me if they'll leave again. Problems too extra large to share with a medium. We fight not for flesh and blood on this level. And devil's advocate is advocating for the devil. And love is all draining and stop, it's all fading. We used to be secretive, but now it's all blatant. It's all just lost, ain't it? Watching it all cave in. We the topic of conversation. 5:30, the car missing. No texting, just call missing. We fighting, you won't listen. You right, we both tripping. It's game time. Matter of fact, it's shade time. The past year been a strange time. Visitations on FaceTime. And who gon' break whose heart first? Always just breaks mine. Looking for blessings that God'll hand me. I'm trying to just raise a family. Somebody should raise the nanny. I'm trying to leave you alone, but that last text was courtesy of Patron. 5:30, the car missing. Emotions is all distance. No text, just call missing. We fighting, you won't listen. You right, we both tripping. The car missing. Is this what you call distance? One song from the glass prison. Dun dun for our last visit. That did it. Whoa, that did it. That gets it. That did it. Mad with it. Thought we had did it. Everybody want too much of us. Everybody except for us. I don't know what.
Hello. Yeah, it's open. Perfect. How's it going? Scene. Let's go. So we need Photoshop. Oh yeah. We need this one first. And then what I want to do is go over it in white. So let me get it like this. There we go. Hang on. Last night this was a 10. This was a 10 last night. What happened here? Well, that's interesting. Yeah. Gonna minimize this down now to 35. Yeah, and then change that over to black. Go. Yeah. file, and we're gonna don't need a file or anything. Oh, they've changed it to red now. What are we gonna do? Alright. This is not upgrade, this is workers. Okay. And then I'm gonna Control Shift W exports workers button. Project. Hang on. Let me get this set up again. I'll get some music on too. Icons. No. Buttons. Perfect. I guess what I can do then is so this needs to be on -7. It was at 1, so we're gonna make it like -2, -1. And I'm gonna bring a duplicate of that in, and then bring that up to 1.5.
So busy. All we were doing was making nice, delicious coffee on the street, no branding, on purpose no branding, because we didn't want any barriers. There was no door, no windows. People could walk into the espresso machine, see what we were doing.
1, 0. Does that look alright? That should be fine. So and this is the workers button. So I'm gonna remove this and change that to actually, what we'll do going to pretty much, I could have duplicated the upgrade menu actually, but it doesn't matter. It's too late now. Let me hide main menu real quick. This is gonna work like this anyway. I'm just gonna move where the scripts are located, stuff like that. I don't need that. I don't need that. Sets, scripts, buttons, new folder in here called worker. that goes in there. Where's the upgrade button manager? There. I'm going to duplicate this out. And it's going to go there. And I'm going to right click and rename it to worker. Boom. I just realized I probably don't have to remake the same script over and over, but and if I just do that, right, it means then that I can just drag and drop the workers menu as the main menu, drag and drop the main menu as the worker menu. In theory. Aha. Right. Someone was nice. I thought there was a fucking fire alarm starting. Okay, what's next? This button? That needs to be changed to the worker manager now. So we need a worker manager. It's in here. Scripts. Create. Add the C# script called worker. private int min amount. So default to 1, and then private load min wage time equals 10.0 of. So I min wage time and min wage time, and then it's going to be the min wage amount. So public void min wage int amount. Head time int money. Float time int money. So we want to say min wage time. Equals time. Min wage amount equals money. Public int min wage worker. We want to return min wage worker. Public void, or no, public int get min wage Okay, now this needs to be swapped over to Right. Get a new worker. It's just 1,000 by 1,000, isn't it? New 1,000. It's kind of like the yeah, how can I draw AI? Whoa. 2 over. Let me minus 4 1 right. Minus 4 1. So this one would be one. 10 every minute. Every minute. So bump that down to 10. No, the AI time equals 60.0f. That's not ready yet. So we want to take that out. Public. Add AI. Ah, you dick. Void on mouse down. For fuck's sake, I wanted to type it in myself. fuck's sake. Right. Button label. Description. Ah. Programmable, and make a string and call it button name. I'm gonna say it's the button name plus currently have dot get components. There we go. ETN currently have dot set active. Alright, dot test this shit out. Set it up properly, of course. Wow, how did you fucking that one? I don't even got the this fucking time. 26. What? Do I have to make it a reference to a game object? I think that as well. So I'm sorry, what? Not set the reference of an object. AI currently have oh, for fuck's sake. Of course, yeah. brain's hurting looking at this. How's your day going? Pretty good, thank you. I'm just working on this game. So it's it's a clicker game where everything you do is really shady. So we have the businesses. We can make a financial networking hub or an engagement enhancement agency, and then we have really cool workers. There's no upgrades yet. Provide assistance. You know nothing about. Don't worry about it. That's why I'm in university. That's why. Yeah. Let's see. Line 20 is fucked. So let's see what's wrong on line 20. Oh, right, I never saved it. That would have an impact. Sure, now. Okay, no errors. That's good. I can go in here and I can buy one. Yeah. Sick. If I buy another one. No. Yeah. Sick. It actually works. It actually works. So I need to test the robot one too to make sure how many times I have to click. 150. Okay, or 100 more. Right, here we go. I could hard code the value in so I don't have to do this, but that's the cheap and easy way. Sick. Sure it works too. I'm doing all the code for this game as well, really inefficiently. You go for the minimum wage. They're meant to be children looking for Robux. That's the idea. Alright, this is working. So every button that you see has its own script, and I probably shouldn't do it that way. I should probably have like some sort of dynamic button script that I configure for each button. But instead I have a bunch of hard-coded values in different C# scripts for each button, and it's fucked. But if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But it's gonna break at some point. Probably. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 scripts. And I've been... this project's about 5 hours in now. Right, we need upgrades. I need to come up with like a name for Roblox that's not like Roblox. Seems like no, not really. Oh, maybe it is. I've been tired. I was tired last night when I worked on it, and then I've been tired this morning. Because I got like 3 hours sleep because I stayed up till about 6 or 7 a.m. working on this. Sick. Let's go. Right, we go into the... Let's turn this off, and then... upgrade menu. And this is gonna be... Bow box. Upgrade. Button. BTN. Ah, shit. Okay. No? Okay. It's gonna work this time. BTN. There we go. Go box upgrade. Stop their nagging. $19 bow box card. Who wants it? So for the price of $19. What we say? 50% might be too much. Bow box card. Plus 50% money. You mean why graphics ain't good? It's a fucking clicker game. You expect me to make fucking 3D assets by myself? Hell no. I can't fucking use Blender. And I'm not an artist. So this is like my style is just MS Paint and Photoshop. So we want to half the time. So does that even read properly? 50% money and 50% the time. Say half the time. Right, the game's supposed to be a shit post too. I don't care about graphics. To me, this is funny. I'm not trying to make a good game. I'm trying to enjoy. Yes, it's made for the funny. You really think I'm gonna make a game where a clicker game where you hire children for Roblox cards and I'm gonna like make it serious? This one. I got so many extra ideas. I think the next one we're gonna add is a pump and dump. The crypto pump and dump, and then what else? I think there was a corporate espionage idea too. Let me pull up the tax document. Yeah. So we have Ponzi schemes, insider trading, money laundering, tax evasion, and corporate espionage. Yeah. We have a clickbait site. So those are all the upgrades for that. Upgrades. Minimum wage worker. $19 food box. Your brain's gonna blow. You'll be fine. Right, using TM Pro. And then we want to make a game object called current upgrade stats. And then we're going to get current upgrade stats, and that's going to, so we're gonna basically game object, and then we're gonna find it, so we're gonna search, and then to make the code reusable, I'm gonna make a string, and I'm gonna call it current upgrade name, and then that's gonna be the current upgrade name plus, and then upgrade stats, and then yeah. So in this case, we're gonna call it box like this. Then we need a void on mouse down, so when the player clicks on it, we want to check. We need a reference to the money manager, which is the script that handles all the money. How long did it take you to get into programming? I worked off and on like Discord bots and stuff around like 2015, 2016, and that's sort of where I got like the mindset for it, you know, like the fundamentals of it. And then yeah, I worked at Discord bot. I worked on Discord bots for a while, and then I moved on to iOS programming, like iOS applications in like 2021. Yeah, so that was with Swift. Yeah, and then I got pretty good at that. And then like 2022, I picked up C#. I started learning Unity development and stuff. Most of what I've learned so far now has been from the last like 5 or 6 weeks at university. Because I knew like the basics of C#, but I didn't understand why I was doing it. But now that I've had a lecturer understand it all to me, I understand it way better now. Void on mouse down. So we want the money manager. Or no, we want to say if the money manager dot get money is greater than or equal to 19, because it's $19. Then we want to say, right, we go into the worker manager. And we don't want to add, we want to upgrade the AI worker, yeah. Must be nice having program it. Not really. I don't really use it too much because I have like fucked motivation, really fucked motivation. So I'll work on something and I'll be like really excited for it. Then I'll work on it like a fuck ton for like 3 days, and then when it comes to like going back to it and doing it again, like nah. This is really basic code too. This is nothing special at all. Yeah, it's fucked. I hate having it, but I hate being the way I am, but it's just the way I am. So that's why I'm trying to get as much of this fucking shit done today, because I know tomorrow's gonna be like the last day where I can really work on it. And then after that, this thing's probably gonna get abandoned, unfortunately, if I don't finish it. So we have the money manager, get money, and then we need to worker manager dots upgrade minimum wage, and say we have float the time, upgraded time. That's going to be equal to the worker manager dot get min wage time, and then we're going to divide that by 2, and then we're going to get an integer, and then that's going to be upgraded moaners. It's going to be get money, and then multiply that by 2. So we want the upgraded time, and then the upgraded moaners. Oh yeah, and then we have to money manager, because we have to charge the player. Remove money. No, we don't want to do that. We want to take away $19. So gonna make another integer to count how many times the player has bought this. So int current upgrade count is going to equal to 0. Then with that we can take the so the current upgrade stats dot game object, or no, if the current upgrade count is greater than 0, then we want to get the current upgrade stats text. We want to set we set this active to false, so dot set active true, so that'll make it visible, and then with that we can set the text of it. This is going to be really fucked. It's the current upgrade stats dot game object dot get component tmp underscore text, like that. Then I want to dot set text. No, not just dot text. And that's gonna be. Oh no! Can I just do that? I can just do that. Okay. Current stats space plus. We want to get the. Oh, maybe we should do this on the. Nah, we'll do it here. We'll do it here because this is where you're coming to upgrade it. So you'd be wanting to check it, like what the stats are to upgrade it on the upgrade page. Because if you're buying the worker from the worker page, you'd want to know how many you have. So worker manager dots min wage money all plus. That's gonna be every space plus worker manager dot get min wage time. Right, but we want to probably do this differently. Or not differently, but we want to... Or, yeah, let me cut it out for a second. What we want to do is have a check to see if it's bigger than a minute or less than a minute. So then we can display that it's in minutes or display that it's in seconds. So if the worker manager dots get min wage time is greater than 60 because we're doing it all in seconds. So then I can just do that. Plus 3 minutes. And then I will divide that by 60. So that's if it's greater than 60. Otherwise, so else. Oh, what did I do there? Slash in because I don't want to dynamically check if it's bigger than 1 or less, and you know what I mean. So now I need that text. So if I duplicate that out of there, because this is the same as that, so if I duplicate that out and then bring it in here like that. Perfect. And then what I can do is change the name of these to Bowbox. So Bowbox. Copy that. Okay, so now we need to put the button on this. Buy Bowbox button. It's that one right there. That's worrying. Why is there no... Did I not save the script? Oh, I haven't serialized these. Serialize field. Come on. There we go. And now this is on that, and that's on that. If I hide that, bring the main menu out, play. Burgers, I can buy that one. I can buy the upgrade. Oh, why is it not set? What's wrong with it? Line 21. That's probably... Don't set active. What did I call it? Ah, right. I'm crazy for making stupid mistakes in the editor. Like, my code will be perfect, or like there'll be like one little problem with this string. But most of the time it's something that could be fixed in the editor. I'll make mistakes, yeah, but for me it's every fucking time. Okay, so now we have that. Let's buy some more, upgrade. You can do that. It's not working. Where's my text? Where's the text? Where did the text go? Is it behind? It couldn't be behind, could it? Did I fuck up somewhere? Let's see, what does this say? Set active to true, or am I? Yeah, so I'm calling that and then I'm setting, yeah. What's different? Copy that. In case I spelled it wrong or something. Did I put a space in it or? Nah. So weird. Right. Instead of calling that twice. We'll call it once. The only thing that has to change is the text. Don't know why I did it that way.
Game over.
Let me see. Test. Yeah, if that's working. Play. Also need to test to make sure that the player has the thing before they buy the upgrade. Excited for the Game Awards? Kinda. I always look forward to stuff like that for like the announcements and stuff, but the actual Game Awards itself, they're pretty much rigged. I think that's a known fact. Like, how the fuck did what's it called? The Last of Us. How did The Last of Us Part 2 win so many that year? Like, I get it. Maybe it is a good game. This is making me 100. How is it making me 100? This does not look right. Did I multiply it by 20? No, it's multiplied by 2. Let's see if they announce Hollow Knight Silksong. I've never played Hollow Knight. I would say if Rockstar is talking about bringing out the game trailer for GTA 6 early December, that perfectly lines up with the Game Awards. So my guess is that that's gonna happen at the Game Awards. And if it doesn't, then I guess Rockstar's doing their own live stream. Yeah, who knows? Only Rockstar do. What else would I want to see? Oh yeah, it's been in development for so long. That game's gonna be, whoo, like the leaks and everything. Whoo. I can't wait. But I don't know if I'd want GTA 6 or if I'd want Bully 2. You never played Bully. Bully's great. Bully's great. I have it on Xbox and PS2. Yeah. Came out on PS2, didn't it? Ah. I was wondering how I hurt my hand the other day. I think I've worked out how. Put the lid on my Coca-Cola too tight. Yeah, the current upgrade stats. Current upgrade name, which is Bowbox. Plus upgrade stats, which is the upgrade stats. Little Nightmares 3. They're pumping those games out quite quickly. I got the first one on Games with Gold, but I never touched it. I want to know why this is broken. Especially, they switch studios. Ah, what, from an artsy studio to like a game factory? Supermassive. Yeah, they're based in Guildford. Yeah. Look this up. Tarsier Studios. Okay, and then Little Nightmares 2. Tarsier. And 3. They changed. They changed it for 3? Ah, yeah, for 3. Oh. I might have to pick it up. Local co-op, sick. Well, now that speaking of Bandai Namco, now that Taiko no Tatsujin is being or Drummond Funds being discontinued for Switch, they have to be bringing out a new one. Because they brought it out on PC, and it doesn't have a drum controller, right? There's a PS5 out, and there's an Xbox Series S and X. They brought it out on Xbox Series S and X and PC on Game Pass, and they didn't bring out a controller. There's still no PS5 version out yet, and there's no controller for the PS5. So I think they have to make a drum controller for the PS5 and the Xbox and the PC. Well, Xbox and PC and the PlayStation. And we need a new Taiko. Or at least a version of Taiko with the controller. That's still not working. Why is that still not working? Actually, when I click on it, it's not being set to active. Sony and Xbox can get so much money. It's brought backwards. Yeah, just port the games. Well, yeah, just port the games. But what Sony needs to do is get Ape Escape out, get it, just reach up their asshole, find Ape Escape in there somehow, and then package the whole trilogy into a nice little package and put it on PC. port for The Last of Us Part 1. Oh, I heard about that. I heard it was really bad on Steam Deck as well. It was Steam Deck compatible and everyone was excited for that, and then it was really shit. Or something like that. I don't know, I don't play Sony games on PC. I have an Xbox in my cupboard for when I need to play Xbox games, and beside that I have a PlayStation in my cupboard for when I need to play PlayStation games, and they only come out on release date for games that I'm interested in, and they go back in the cupboard when I don't need them anymore, which is 90% of the time. So Xbox has been in there since I stopped playing Call of Duty back in September, and PS5's been in there since the Sunday after the Spider-Man 2 release, after I finished the game. It's the only time I use a console. I'd love to know why this isn't being set active or working. Turn on point. And the worker manager get minimum wage worker is greater than equal to 1 as well. You want to see your stats all the time, so buy a bow box upgrade. Current upgrade count is assigned, but its value is never used. That should be fine. I'm interested in seeing how they handle Spider-Man 2 on PC, because there's not a single loading screen on that shit. I fixed it. It's meant to multiply by 2. It's meant to multiply by 2. Why is it at 58? Hang on. Start our calc. 58. 58 divided by 2 is 29. Where's it getting 29 from? Let's see. Is this meant to... Oh, I'm getting like the player's money and I'm multiplying it by 2. That's what's wrong. Why am I getting the... It's the worker manager dot get minimum wage money. There we go. And then I'll add a dollar sign in front of that as well. Well, that's percent. That's not dollars. There we go. Yeah, it was. I wasn't incrementing that integer that I created. Like, I never made it greater than 1, but I was checking to see if it was greater than 1. That's exactly what happened. But, we worked around it. It's fine. So now if I... It's working. We did it. my mic nearly fell. Alan Wake 2. Again, I haven't played that game. I'm really bad at keeping up with games. Mainly because I don't have an income at the minute, so I don't have money to spend on new games. Mainly I just play fucking Minecraft and Tycho, because I already own them. I made an exception for Spider-Man because it's Spider-Man. You can't not play Spider-Man on release. That's not it's not legal. Wait, this is not every 1.25 seconds, is it? This should be like instant now, like $32 instantly. You can't afford Spider-Man? Neither can I. I fucked up my financials buying it, but I don't regret it. This is supposed to change the time, but it's not changing the time, is it? Right, when in doubt, so we'll say, Unity start remembering won't or float value won't update. Oh, that's the fire alarm. Isn't that fun? Welcome to student accommodation. Oh, there we go, it's over. Damn, that scared the shit out of me. Welcome to this place. Oh, it's back again. That's just some motherfucker burnt their food or something. Yeah, I'm alright. I think someone just burnt their food or something. And then like another floor or whatever. But there was a fire in the other building like a couple days ago. So if it goes off again, I'm gonna go out. But it sounds like it's just tasks because it keeps going off and on. So it should be tasks. How am I gonna fix this? Because it's remembering the old value for the time. Let's see. Unity start. Oh, you have to cancel the invoke and start it again, or the power of coroutines. Yield new, wait for seconds time. So we have to redesign this shit now. You're currently saving up so you can buy a new PC? Nice. Definitely get a new PC. PCs are, oh, they're, I need to get this thing upgraded. This thing is bottleneck to shit is what it is. I've got a an RTX 2060 and Ryzen 3 3100 and the CPU. It's all right. It's all right for the price I paid for it, but it's not great anymore. You know, like time. You know, computers are getting more modern, things are getting harder to run, and the little CPU is like but the GPU can handle pretty much anything I throw at it. So yeah, I need to get a new motherboard too, though. I cheaped out on the motherboard, and I shouldn't have. So that's my advice. Is to one, I would say definitely if you're gonna buy a new PC, then buy something with a Ryzen processor, and make sure the RAM in there is pretty high. 16 to 32 gig, pretty good. But if you're building it yourself, don't cheap out in the motherboard. Definitely don't cheap out in the motherboard. Cause that's it's not fun. Yield return. Right, so there's a private I enumerator. I see. Oh, that's Kanye. Fuck off, Kanye. Yeah, enumerator. Yeah. So then we want to say while true. While true, do that. So do that. And then say yield return new, wait for seconds, not the amount of time. So we want to start coroutine. I think we change this to be the actual function. Let's test it, make sure it works. I should really have a hard-coded value of money. Why did it stop? Oh, my whole Unity froze. Well, that's fun. Did my whole computer freeze? No. Just the Unity. Let's see. What's going on here? That's fine. What? Shift escape. Yeah, not responding. You call it, yeah. I think it's because it's literally a DLC for Modern Warfare 2. So Modern Warfare 2 is free, and then with that game they brought out the Call of Duty Hub, and then the Call of Duty Hub is basically like, it's meant to be like the one-stop shop. So it's meant to be like the new platform within the platform for launching the Call of Duty games. So it's meant to be like a downloadable add-on for the Call of Duty Hub, but because they haven't renamed it to the Call of Duty Hub yet, it's literally DLC for Modern Warfare 2, or what is the Modern Warfare 2 base game. So it's built on top of Modern Warfare 2. Like every part of it. So, but I think what they're rating there is the campaign. They're not rating the multiplayer, because the multiplayer is essentially last year's multiplayer with new maps and maybe reworked movements slightly, kind of. And the campaign there is only like 3 hours. It's only like a 3-4 hour long campaign. And I know that like a lot of people that I know that played it are very upset about that. So yeah, this is not responding. I'm gonna have to quit it, but it's not saved, so I don't know what's gonna be lost when I come back. Fuck it. Right, that's that ended. Fingers crossed. Please. Please. Please have saved it. Ah. I know my scripts are saved. It's just, I don't want to fuck around with Unity shit again. Ah shit, I'm leaking my IP every time I show Shark. Oh, it's a public IP anyway. I'm not the only person that lives here, so. I'm not even my network administrator. So it's not my problem. But yeah, I'm surprised that Activision never renamed the bootable version of Modern Warfare 2 into the Call of Duty hub yet, because it's always been that way. Well, I think they've been experimenting with that sort of idea for a while now. Oh, this is gonna be fucked. This is actually gonna be fucked. Minimum. Okay. Toolbox. Okay. It's all still. Oh. Right. We might be okay. We might be okay. This is a reminder to keep saving your work. Normally I do. I don't know why I haven't been. Right, we need this guy, this guy, this guy duplicated and brought in there. Then we need to rename it to current stats. And that's low box. It does not change. Save. Okay. If I just double check, this does not have the script on it. That's fun. So you put this back on that, back on that. You move this back over here. They should stop making COD games. I was under the assumption, because I remember last year they were saying that last year's COD was going to be the last one for like 3 years. For like at least 2 or 3 years. And I was with them on that. But now all of a sudden, oh, Modern Warfare 3 is coming out and it's going to have zombies. When has Modern Warfare had zombies? Apparently the zombies aren't great. I don't know. I refused to buy it because $70 for or 70 quid or whatever currency you might be using. 70 for a game that's essentially a DLC. Like it's last year's game repackaged with different variables for like refined variables for movement is what they did. So that's like me going in here, right, and being like, oh, how can I make this game, you know, like we need to upgrade this game for the second version. Oh, I'll just go into the add money script, and instead of it, I don't know, like instead of it on mouse down adding money 1, now it makes 2 monies. And now I've made Mike's business too. Well, to Activision I have anyway. Hopefully Phil Spencer gives those people a kick up the backside. Whoa. My really expensive keyboard has got a almost dead LED in it. Nice. Every button is supposed to be purple at the top and on the side. And then all the letters and numbers keys are all the same color. They're all like a different color, but they're all the same color. And now the home button is half pink and half purple, but all the other buttons are all fully purple. That's sad. It still works. It's not like it's broken. It's really annoying me now. I think half of the LED on the key's dead. I think maybe the key just needs cleaned. Hang on. Whoa. Yeah, that fixed it. It's all good. It's all good. Turn scroll lock off. I bought this keyboard instead of buying a drawing tablet because I wanted to get a drawing tablet for drawing this shit. Because drawing this shit, don't worry about that. That doesn't exist. You don't see anything here. Yeah, I want to get, because draw this shit with a mouse. It's easy enough, but it's not fun. You got Adobe Animate? Damn. I don't even know how to use that shit. I think I tried using Flash back in the day, but I never really understood it. I used to be such a filthy pirate back in the day. I used to... That's what my day consisted of all the time. I had like I had really shit internet, and I'd spend like all day every day finding a new software to pirate, expecting to be like the complete like megamind master at it by the time it was done, like installing, and I could play around with. Nah, I wasn't. I don't need that variable. Why is Visual Script in there? Don't need that. Cool. Right, let's turn the AI worker into a coroutine as well. It's here. So I need to come down to the AI worker, change it from void to I enumerator to yield, return you. No, you wait 4 seconds. AI time. Semicolon. Yeah, every time I draw on my trackpad, I think that I'm like drawing on my mouse is better. But then every time I draw on my mouse, I think that drawing on my trackpad's better. Okay, so now I want to turn this into a coroutine. So that, and then start coroutine. This could have been what crashed the game earlier. I hope it wasn't, but we'll find out now. I get the money over 60 and then it fucking crashes. Why does it keep crashing? Bruh. Is it run? It's run out of RAM, isn't it? The computer's run out of RAM. Right, let's close this. Where's Steam? The Steam based process. Or do I need? I don't need all the Chrome tabs open. I can close that. There's Steam, so I can get rid of all of that. That's brought us down to 77. What I don't need that or that or that. Or yeah, the all of this is killing it, I think. "13 processes. Performance. Yeah, we've only got 3 gig of RAM. How? Oh, I suppose this is completely frozen. It has to be, but how is it running out of memory is my question. I don't need Firefox open at the minute. How many? Okay. Close. I'll close Photoshop and see if that fixes it. Yeah, now we're down to 60. Is it working again? Can I click? Or is it still not responding? Yeah, it's still dead. Okay. Let's see. I did save everything, didn't I? Yeah. It should just work out of the box then. Turn that off. I wanna watch it. Give me a sec. I wanna watch it like this. Yeah, it's working for a set amount of time and then it's dying. Fun. Unity start coroutine. Crashing.
I noticed the lights were on and I thought you might be home. I wasn't sure.
The fuck? So that can't be else. That's probably what's going on here. I'm too fucking tired to work on this. I'm gonna bounce. Because I've been going for about two and a quarter hours. I'm gonna bounce on. I got some stuff I need to get done today. I will probably be back later on this evening. Yeah, enjoy your day too. Yeah, take care, and I'll chat to you some other